snowing again. Oh boy. Good morning. I thought I would do a get ready with me. I haven't done one in a holy heck of a long time. And I've been having requests, so I thought, well, hey, I'm getting ready. Why don't I just throw this in there now? So I showered, I dried my hair, haven't done anything else to it. So this is its lovely natural state. Just doing some normal stuff today, running around, doing some errands. Using this today, the BB cream. Getting my hair done, gotta go get that. I need a trim. I've got to see just what the heck I'm gonna do with it. I mean, I'm going to plan to keep the length pretty much, but I think I might change up the cut. I might go in some more layers or something, not sure. I will discuss that with Allie, my lovely, lovely hair guru. So we'll do that then. Just putting on some, as I showed you, the It Cosmetics CC cream. I just squirt it on the back of my hand, you know, and then just bop it around. It's basically, I use it in the color light. As you can see, it basically just is exactly my color, and it just covers up some of the blotchiness of my discoloration and freckles and all that good stuff. My fadey freckles, they're not those cute little pinpoint freckles. They're the, you know, more blotchy, fadey kind. But this just kind of covers it all, evens things out, makes things look decent, which is all I'm really going for. I'm going for decent. So this is just sort of an everyday, I'll just put on whatever I normally would, and there you have that. But you can totally still see all my freckles and whatnot through there. Next, I'll use my Catrice Liquid Camouflage. I really, really like this stuff. It just really seems to work well. I just blot it, you know, blip, 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 blip. Sometimes I'll go a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there if I'm being fancy. And it just really works on my skin. It just brightens and conceals, and it does not set, you know, into that crepey old skin you got there, if you're me, that I've got there. You know, it just covers nicely, and I like that. And it's really, really inexpensive too. You can get it at Ulta for like $7.99 or something. It's crazy, crazy good. And then I always set my under eye with Too Faced Primed and Poreless. Somehow it just really, really works to just get that set in there. And again, helps it not crease, helps it not run away, go places without me. Now I'll set my other all over face powder with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in No. 1 Fair, and I have definitely used the heck out of this. I've hit massive pan. It seems like I hit pan really, really fast on this, and then I looked and the amount is less than most of my other face powders. It's like half the amount you get in here, so, which is something I didn't investigate before I bought it, but I mean, I guess I should have guessed. It's very thin. You know, the whole compact is very thin, so it makes sense. Eyebrows, Anastasia Brow Duo in medium. Flip my mirror. Just fill in real quick. Just make it, you know, make the sparse spots a little less sparse, and that's pretty much the whole idea of it. I have such a major arch in my eyebrow as it is. I have to be real careful. If I go up here and I darken this upper area, I look like I'm perpetually surprised, and I don't care for that, so it's not a look I'm going for. This is going to be a very plain kind of a look. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just going to use my Bare Minerals Nudes palette. I absolutely love this. If you've known me for any time at all, you know that I love this palette. It's just simple, and I'm just running around in the snow. It's snowing today. Running around in the snow. I'm just putting a light, just a real light bit. I always do that under my eye, under the arch, which actually kind of makes it even look archier, but whatever. And then in here, I just add the extra right there, just brighten up that deep dark hollow there. And I'm going in with Opulence, which is just a little bit of a shimmer, and just doing that all over the lid. And with a more of a crease type of a brush, I'll be going in with a Tranquil. And just getting the upper crease area. And then with a little bit of a darker color like Priceless. I'm going kind of gray today, yes. I guess. A little lower crease. And in the corner, the V. This will be just a very natural, normal, nothing colorful kind of a look. And just a fluffy, dry, no shadow on a brush, just to kind of blend all that in. See what I think. It barely shows, which is what I want. And with this type of a little brush, I'm just gonna go in with something like, just go a little bit on the edges there. Just run under a bit, tiny, tiny bit. Just to connect the top and the bottom a little. I may as well do a little bit of color. We'll go with the darker blue of the Sephora retractable eyeliner. It's in this bluish color. What do they call it? They call it made in Germany. It's slate, but it's kind of a blue, so. What mascara should we use today? Let's go with Thrive. It just lengthens and darkens, and that's what I like for kind of a more natural look. And there's that. Oh, before I started, by the way, before my foundation and so forth, I put on my The Ordinary. Put on just a couple drops of that in my hands all over. And I've been using and trying the new Bare Minerals Ageless Genius eye cream. I like the fact that it has some firming effect in there, and I am enjoying it very much, so I'm doing that. I need some color, so we're going to go in with the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. Looks like this. Just going with a little bit of that. Just go around the edges, just kind of warm things up a little bit. Smell like a little less dead. Okay, now it is time for blush. I'm going with the MAC Blush All Day. Only 16-year-olds really blush right there, pretty much anyway. Don't know who I'd be fooling. Okay. And my last finishing touch that I always love to do, I don't know why, but I feel like it makes a difference. Laura Mercier Candle Glow, and I have it in number 1. It just is a lightly glowy powder. I just go in and just hit a little bit of the major areas there. I just feel like it adds just a little bit of more of a youthful, dewy, I don't know, but I like it. And then I said it was something right now. I'm still using my Glam Glow Glow Setter. Then I'll put in the YSL number 25. It's got this weird spatula thing. I really like this. Now for the hair. That's the face. do something with this. I like this. It's my Illinois, Chicago tumbler. All the trains. Starbucks has the best tumblers. They're just always so darn cute. Slurp, sorry. Okay, since I'm going to go get my hair done, there's kind of no point in doing anything special, but I'll just do what I normally would do to make it look like I normally make it look. Texturizing hairspray. So there it is. That's me getting ready in the morning. Glad you could be with me.